Unit 5, we learn about rest. We have the one beat rest, and now we learn about the hats. Looks like the hats that stay on the third line. This is 2 beats rest. And if it's upside down hats on top of the fourth line, this is for 4 beat rest. Normally, if it's empty, the bar, they put all, no matter it's 2 beats or 3 beats or 4 beats in the bar, they always put the full rest, which is called whole rest, which is the one upside down hats. We call it semi-brave rest. For a song, this position, now we move to different position. We can read from the left hand, good birds don't. It means they all start from D position on both, in both hands. Start from left hand, tap like a drum on fifth. Rest, 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 hold. F, F, E, F, E, D, hold. F, F, G, A, 2, 3, 4, hold. A, A, G, A, skip, D, skip, G, skip, E, D, 2, 3, left hand D, rest, move to C, rest, move to D, right, D, right, D, rest, move to C, rest, back to D, going down, hold, F, F, E, F, E, D, hold, F, F, G, A, 2, 3, 4, hold, A, G, A, skip, D, skip, G, skip, E, D, 2, 3, 4, tap, rest, rest. Now, if we are on the bottom, then you have to move lower.